The recent attack on a Panamanian-flagged oil tanker off Yemen's Red Sea coast has heightened tensions in the region once again. Iran-backed Houthi militants targeted the vessel with an anti-ship missile, causing significant damage. Fortunately, the crew managed to restore power and steer the ship back on course, averting casualties. This incident is just the latest in a series of attacks by the Houthis on ships in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. The ongoing conflict in Yemen, where the Houthis control major population centers, has created a volatile maritime environment. The international response has been swift, with the US-led maritime coalition immediately assisting the stricken vessel. However, the threat posed by the Houthis persists, endangering the lives of mariners and disrupting global shipping routes. British security firm Ambrey reported that the attack occurred southwest of Yemen's Red Sea port city of Mocha, causing a fire in the steering gear compartment. The vessel, loaded with oil from Russia's Black Sea port and bound for China, sustained damage but continued its journey. Meanwhile, the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, also called UKMTO, confirmed another incident involving a vessel struck by an unknown object near Yemen's Hodeidah port. Thankfully, there were no casualties and the ship proceeded to its next port of call. These attacks have had significant repercussions on global shipping, forcing companies to seek alternative routes, increasing costs and disrupting trade flows. The United States and Britain have responded with targeted strikes against Houthi targets, aiming to deter further aggression. The Houthi militia's actions, aligned with Iran and purportedly in solidarity with Palestinians, have intensified tensions in the region. Their repeated attacks on ships and strategic waterways pose a threat to maritime security and stability. As the situation unfolds, the international community remains vigilant, working to safeguard maritime routes and ensure the safety of seafarers in the region. The need for a peaceful resolution to the conflict in Yemen has never been more urgent, as the repercussions of continued violence reverberate far beyond its borders.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.